everyone. So today, we'll be explaining our miniature, which is the wind turbine power plant. So a wind power plant is a massive kinetic energy conversion system designed to transform fluid motion of wind into electrical power through aerodynamics, power transmission, and dynamic control. The process begins with the rotor blades, which function as highly optimized airfoils. Instead of just aerodynamic lift, creating a turning force that converts kinetic energy into rotational mechanical energy at the hub. Because the hub rotates at a sluggish 10 to 20 revolutions per minute, it utilizes a heavy-duty drivetrain to make the power usable. The low-speed main shaft feeds into a planetary gearbox, acting as a mechanical multiplier.
This gearbox step up the rotation to a high-speed shaft spinning at over 1500 revolutions per minute to efficiently drive the generator. Finally, to maximize efficiency and prevent structural failure, the turbine relies on active dynamic controls. Pitch drives rotate the individual blades on their axes to catch the perfect amount of wind or feather them during storm to safely stop the rotor.
Simultaneously, yaw drives rotate the entire nacelle atop the tower, ensuring the turbine always squarely faces the wind. So that is all, and once again, this is our diorama or miniature, which is the wind turbine.